support, your help relieves us and eases our grief, deep grief. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Actually, yeah, we are in deep grief, in sorrow. As you say, that toll is every moment increasing. It's over now 35,000. And as you say, I mean, it's a wide area that has been affected by the earthquake. 500 kilometers by 400 kilometers wide range of area. 10 cities, 10 different cities have been affected. It's an unprecedented, certainly, disaster.
Yesterday, Brother Excellency, I had another Zoom meeting with my colleagues and Chairman NDMA and our ambassador in Ankara and of course in Damascus.
Yes.
And we have exchanged notes and we have discussed what is there to act quickly and in the order of priority, what we can, collect and send. So the answer was winterized tents.
Yes.
So this is what we have then decided to order for winterized tents in Pakistan on war footing.
Yes.
NDM is placing orders with potential manufacturers, and of course other items like blankets and woolen clothes,
sleeping bags.
so we are trying to collect them as quickly as possible, and we will ship them to Turkey through whatever means available. But I would be extremely grateful if we could be guided and advised by you on a daily basis. We can create a mechanism where our Foreign Office and His Excellency Ambassador can really exchange notes on a daily basis, and then we can get to know what is the situation, and then we can convey it to NDMA. They will also be in touch with you directly, and please be rest assured we cannot ever forget and cannot thank you enough, and the Turkish people and President Tayyip Erdogan for what he did, and his government and his people during earthquake of 2005 and then floods of 2010 and then now last year. I mean, it's there for everybody to see, and I think Turk brothers and sisters went beyond their capacity to support Pakistan. So we are like a family, and inshallah, whatever we can really do, we will inshallah spare no effort at all.
Thank you, Your Excellency. From the first day on, actually, we are in cooperation with NDMA. They work under your instructions, and actually they have sent search and rescue teams, and they work there marvelously. They have done very marvelous jobs, miraculous jobs over there, and they, even today, they rescued people alive. This is the 8th day, and we are very thankful. We are grateful to them, and as I said, every day NDMA sends good relief material to Turkey by PIA, and also Turkish Airlines, and also cargo planes. We are really thankful to them for this.
We are pushing large chunk of stuff through
cargo planes,
through trucks, NLC, National Logistics Cell. As I speak, they are on the way to cross the border. We're also exploring the possibility of sending it through trains.
Yes.
But initially we'll do our best to transport winterized tents through airplanes as much as we can through Pakistan International Airlines, through Air Force planes. We also got Turkish planes also, but we'll do our best. Whatever we can, inshallah, we'll do our best.
This is what we see, what we observe, Your Excellency.
Foreign Minister would like to add something.
I think after the Prime Minister speaks, there's less to say, but of course we reiterate our condolences. I spoke about the experience with the national disaster recently, and our Turkish brothers and sisters are very helpful. So we're doing whatever we can in our capacity to.
Thank you.